What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm giving you a quick review of DaVinci Resolve 20 on iPad and whether it's actually worth using for real video editing. First off, this isn't a basic mobile editor. DaVinci Resolve on iPad feels very close to the desktop version, especially when it comes to cutting, color grading, and overall workflow. The interface is built for touch and Apple Pencil, and once you get used to it, editing feels smooth and natural. One of the biggest highlights is color grading. You get the same node-based color tools that Resolve is known for, and they work really well on the iPad's touchscreen. Performance depends on your device. On iPads with M-series chips, editing is fast and responsive, even with high-resolution footage. Older iPads can still handle basic edits, but you'll notice limitations with heavier projects. That said, it's not a full replacement for the desktop version yet. Some advanced effects, audio tools, and export options are more limited, and the interface can feel cramped on smaller screens. Overall, DaVinci Resolve 20 on iPad is one of the most powerful video editing apps available on a tablet. If you want professional level editing on the go, it's definitely worth checking out. If you need advanced effects and full control, the desktop version is still the better choice. And that's my quick review. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.